Hey, Sonny here. Today I want to show you a guitar that we bought as a band, Divine Sorrow. It's a prize giveaway in one of our show coming up. Um, so it's not a expensive guitar, but for the price of it is $200 for Epiphone SGVE Special. For $199 on Zounds. That's where I got it from. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, some details on it, and I'm going to do a playthrough. So first thing first, it came, this guitar, like I said, Epiphone SG. It's a vintage cherry finish. Came with the box like that. So we'll open the box up. Open the box up. And the guitar comes like this. See it with the light. It's got a little box thing up here to protect the headstock. I'm going to remove this, and you take the box out. Inside the box, you have some accessories here. You got some stickers and so you got a Epiphone sticker, actually two stickers, Epiphone, and you got another sticker, actually four stickers. You got Epiphone sticker, two of those, and then you got this lifetime warranty information card. And I would have took this off. It's basically, it protects the string from the neck profile. And the guitar, this is the outside bag. And once you take the bag out, you got this little outer bag protects the guitar. Pull that off. There's a little thing on here that protects the knob. Pull that off, and it's the guitar. Again, this is the Epiphone SG VE Special. All right, let's go through the spec of the guitar. The finish is vintage worn. The body material is poplar with mahogany veneer, and the neck material is mahogany. It's a bolt-on neck. The scale length is 24.75 inches long. The fingerboard material is granadillo with a dot inlay, and the actual neck pickup is 650R, and the bridge pickup is 700T. Both of these are open coil ceramic magnet pickups. Three-way switch, down positions for the bridge pickup, up positions for the neck pickup, middle position is for both pickups together. You got a volume knob and a tone knob. It's a fixed tail bridge. There's no binding on it. For a $200 guitar, you're not going to get any binding. And the frets are jumbo fret, medium jumbo frets, and there's a 22 frets on this guitar. So it's very lightweight. The nut width is a 1 11/6. So yeah, that's pretty much the guitar. You can see it's a nicely made guitar for $200. It's made in China, as you can see with the logo here. There's a classic Epiphone on the logo on the headstock and the serial number in the back. So that's it. And now we put guitar strap on. The strap is right here, so you got to go right here. It goes around and goes in the back right here. The guitar came with intonation is almost perfect. I didn't have to do any adjustment on it at all. I did adjust the action down a little bit with the screw, turn it down here clockwise to get the action down just slightly. But other than that, there's not much I need to do. There's new strings. The strings are new, so they may not stay in tune very well. So we'll see. But let's plug it in and check it out. Alright, so right now the guitar is tuned to standard tuning, and it's plugged into my Boss Katana amp. It's open chords. chord. My cat wants to play. I don't have anything for you, buddy. Here's what a neck pickup sounds like. So as you can see, it sounds really well, plays really well for the price you pay. So if you have $200 to spend and you want to buy a guitar, this will be perfect. So put this back up here so you can see my face a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. So again, this is the Epiphone SGVE Special Model.